In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert video in Google Docs. Now this is very simple. Once you've opened up Google Docs, you have to go to YouTube and find the video you'd like to insert in, and then what you want to do is type in the @ symbol and then simply paste in the URL, and then up here a text box is going to appear saying press tab to replace with and then the name of the video. You can either click on this or press tab. So I'm going to click on it, and as you can see, the video has now been inserted. But yeah, you might have been wondering, now how can I play it inside the Google Docs? This will surely just open as a link to the YouTube video, right? Now, you would be wrong. What you have to do is click on this, and as you can see, this preview pops up. It's one of my videos on my channel, and all you have to do is click down here where it says Open Preview, and then you can zoom it out or in, Surfshark VPN as static IP. And as you can see, the video starts playing inside of the Google Docs. Now, if you want it in a separate window, you press over here. If you want it, if you want it in a separate window, you want to press over here, yes. If you want to copy the video URL, you click over here. If you want to cancel, you can simply press this X button over here. Now, the problem is that if you're sending this document to someone, you will probably have to inform them how to do this. So you can simply go down and type in, let's say, hover over, etc. So you type in hover over the link and then click on Open Preview, and then when they're going to see this, they're going to open the preview and will be able to watch the video inside of the Google Docs.